Well, hi team, welcome to week 4. This makes you at 2/3 of the way through the course already. What a difference a week makes. But kind of a busy one in terms of projects this week, but a little less in terms of the actual readings and that. Don't forget that this week you have two things that are coming due by the end of the week. That would be your theorist presentations, however you've decided to present them, and also your second version of your nursing philosophy. And hopefully the input that was provided some insight into some things you can correct. Plus, the rubric for the second one is a little bit different than the first one, so make sure you include your first information, but also the new information that's on the second rubric there. And there's also one discussion forum. This week, however, it's asking for 1 to 2 paragraphs, and as a little bit of a pressure valve relief, you do not have to have any resources for it unless you do find something that's interesting on your own there, but you don't have to go to the work of looking them up. Just provide your own personal views in 1 to 2 paragraphs. You can read about that for more. Make sure if you have any questions, you're getting in touch with me. You can always text me, 414-940-3163, and that's also on the syllabus, or email me. Texting is probably the quickest way if you're working on something immediately to get a response. Great job you're doing with things. Do know that, and we'll talk to you next week.